This project is an automated cold storage warehouse designed specifically for low-temperature logistics operations. The warehouse covers 2,968 square meters and provides a total of 6,818 storage locations. The maximum storage volume reaches more than 10,000 cubic meters. But cold storage automation is very different from ordinary dry warehouses, because low temperatures create completely different operational challenges. For this project, the shuttle aisle spacing was increased to 125 millimeters. In normal dry warehouses, this spacing is usually only 90 millimeters. The gap between storage locations was also increased from the normal 75 millimeters to 100 millimeters. Why? Because cold storage environments require additional space to ensure operational stability and reduce collision risks caused by temperature-related mechanical changes. The warehouse also includes dedicated safety walkways and staircase access systems for safer manual operation inside low-temperature environments. To improve electrical reliability, heating modules were added to critical electrical equipment to prevent moisture issues and cold start failures. Before goods enter storage, operators manually scan and bind cargo information to the corresponding pallets. The system then performs QR code identification, dimension inspection, and weight detection. After verification, shuttle robots automatically transport goods to assigned storage locations. This type of automated cold warehouse significantly improves operational safety, storage efficiency, warehouse density, and cold chain stability. If you are planning a similar automated cold storage project, we can help you design the system and estimate your investment.